My wife was getting ready to juice some beets, and she was going to throw these greens away right here. I said, no, I'm going to give these a try. I never had any beet greens before. So I cleaned them up, and I got the stems, and I'm going to cut those up, and I'm going to start these first. So I'm going to saute them. I'm going to do them kind of like I do my cabbage. Just cook them for about 5 to 8 minutes, and I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these stems up. And I didn't use all the stems. I just used a few of the stems. And then I got the greens. I'll make sure you wash them and everything. And I cut these up just like I cut my collard greens and cabbage up. And once I finish cutting everything up and washing them, I got my pan. And I always save my bacon juice. So that's bacon juice right there. So I'm going to put a little at the bottom of this pan. And that's it right there, a little bacon juice. And I'm going to go ahead and put the stems in first, because it's going to take those a little bit longer to cook. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the stems in here. And once I pour the stems in here, I'm going to get a little bit of water, because I'm going to saute these. So I'm going to pour a little water on this. Once I pour my water on, just a little bit of water. Half a cup, less than half a cup. Then I'm going to sprinkle a little salt and a little pepper. And then I'm going to put some garlic with parsley. That's it. You know, I usually use tonnage and all that, but I'm going to make this simple. And if you want to spice it up a little bit, just put a little red pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle my salt right here. Maybe a tablespoon. Then I'm going to get my garlic with parsley. Sprinkle a little bit of that. And let these cook for maybe 2-3 minutes. And then once I have these cooked for 2 or 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and add my greens in. And before I do that, I'm going to get some blended vegetables. I got this right here is onions and a few bell peppers. We had this left over from Thanksgiving, so I'm just using what I got around the house. As you see, I'm mixing this up real good. And when you sauteing things, you got to keep stirring it. You got to keep mixing it up. You don't want it to burn on one side. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my beet greens. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more salt on this, and a little garlic with parsley, just a little bit more, not much. And like I said, you want to keep stirring this up. See, it's getting a little dry at the bottom. I added a little bit more bacon grease and a little bit more water. That's it. And you just cook this for another 3 to 4 minutes, and you're done. You really can eat this stuff raw. So you don't want to overcook your greens, especially your collard greens or maybe these beets. Now look at this. This is what it looks like after about 7 minutes. So I'm gonna give this a try. Here we go. Well, here goes nothing. I'm gonna give these a try. I never tried beet greens before. Oh, Lord have mercy. Man. Hold up. My wife was juicing and she was talking about throwing these greens away. Oh, no. Y'all haven't tried beet greens yet? You need to give it a try. Man. Tastes like it's between a collard green and turnips and mustard and cabbage all mixed together. It's good.